electrical machines kit. This is a revolutionary way of safely studying the characteristics of different motors in a learning environment. This includes 8 different types of machines, integrated power supply and control box, and PC-based application. The motors included here are dynamometer, a DC power magnet motor, a brushless DC motor, an AC single-phase induction motor, a DC shunt motor, a DC universal series motor, Again, we have an electrical installation comprehensive curriculum workbook which includes lesson plans, which is freely available on our website in relation to this kit.